Hello, welcome back to CJ White YouTube page. I'm easing outside. I don't want to scare it. I think that's a rabbit out there. By the way, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I don't know. It may not be a rabbit. Maybe something else. Oh, it was a rabbit that left. Dad nabbit. It was a rabbit. Well, it's gone out there. I love filming animals. I just need a better camera. This camera is not what I expected it to be. I need to figure out how to set it up better, because it don't zoom in as much, close as much as I want. So let's see what we could, see if we can find a rabbit in there somewhere. Well, that ain't like me. I scared that rabbit off. Sometimes when they escape, they go down in there. That's a culvert that runs underneath my drive. Goes down there, right down there. It's a little creek. That's where it goes off to. Bird sure looks pretty. Hey, by the way, if y'all like this content of wildlife and various types of videos, do me a favor and click like and subscribe so you can find me easier when next time I put up a new video. This is Thursday morning. It's a little after 7. Turn the camera around again. I don't have but 25 subscribers. I'm hoping to get up to at least 30. There's about 15 more days left in this month. And I need at least 5 more subscribers to make 30 by the end of this month. The more views, more likes, and subscribers, the more YouTube pushes my video out, that helps my channel grow. So I'd really appreciate it. Oh, there's birds. Let's zoom in on the birds. So it's sitting on a high-line wire. Whoa. On the edge of that, on the top of the cliff, I think that's one of them magpie birds. You know, a miniature crow. You know, kind of like Heckle and Jekyll, the magpie birds, the cartoon, the old 60s cartoon. That's one of my favorite cartoons. Yeah. There. There he is. He's looking at me. Looks like he's getting away from me. Oh, that's not a magpie bird. I don't know what kind of bird that is. I just know very few bird types, breeds. I'm going to start, I think what I may do, start studying birds and learning what each species of birds are. Look at the clouds in the distance. Look at the clouds in the distance. Look like rain's on the way. Like rain's trying to move in. There's some birds up there. Here's what the skies looks like. Looks like it's going to rain. Maybe moving in. Birds sound so beautiful singing. That's what I love about early mornings. Coming out here and listen to the birds. There they are right there. Well, I can't catch that and it's flying too fast. I can't scroll in enough to do it. I sure hate it. Rabbit got away. So I really got to get a good capture of it. That's the way it is with wildlife. Human comes around, they disappear, they run off, or hop off. There's a Frankfurt Baptist Church. It's good friends of mine. Sometimes one of the members comes over here and flies this little remote airplane, and I come over here and we talk about what's going on in the world and stuff like that, where this America's heading. But I'm not going to get into politics. Whoa, did you see that? It flew right in front of me. I don't know if I captured that on camera or not. I hope I did. I'll have to view this video, find out. Boy, there's birds all over the place. The thing about early mornings, they're all out singing their morning songs and gathering food for the day. And here in a few hours, they'll quieten down and disappear. You won't be able to capture them. Well, I guess it's go back down and see if I can spot a deer or another rabbit or squirrel or chipmunk or that coyote. Yeah, we got a coyote that comes up in our backyard sometime, and or the gray fox that comes up in our yard sometimes. Maybe a raccoon. Maybe that possum that comes up on our porch, or even the pew. Yeah, you guessed it. Skunk, polecat. Yeah, we have one that runs around there sometimes. You can smell him. You should see Rabbit, my daughter. We get to smelling it. It's so funny. She is quite a character. Gotta love it though. That's my baby. She's 16. She's still my baby. She'll always be my baby. She's still asleep. Say, well, why's she doing sleep? Shouldn't she be getting ready for school? Nope. A homeschooler. Number one. Number two, she just graduated. She just completed her 12th grade classes. And I got to go turn it in to the Department of Education, so it'd be official. Get her diploma. Yep, more birds. I think I get more birds than I do anything else. I get a few rabbits, a few squirrels. Well, let me back up. Let me correct myself. A rabbit, a few squirrels, and a couple of cats and deers. Hopefully in the future, some coyotes and maybe even a fox and maybe even a possum or chipmunk. But oh, it's nice weather. Feels nice out here. It's not too hot. Feels like a comfortable 57 degrees. That's perfect. Perfect temperature for me. Don't have to put no jacket on. Just walk out here. Listen to the birds. I think I hear about 4 or 5 different species of birds up in the trees. I sure wish I'd have got a better view of that rabbit. Sometimes that's what happens when you're trying to capture stuff. Sometimes you got to be at the right place at the right time. Have your camera set up just right. But hopefully, I'm working on saving up money to get me a better camera that can take better videos, because this one, on those that's at a distance, like the deers that I capture across the field there, you got to look kind of hard to see them. You won't zoom in close enough. So I believe we'll start saving up for a higher powered camera to do my video recordings. Well, nothing but birds this morning. One rabbit that I missed. Sometimes them squirrels gets up on top of that roof, scampering around. I guess it's too early in the season for them to start doing that. They usually start doing that in the summertime. Well, I'm about draining my battery. This battery in this camera don't last very long. And I've been jabbering, carrying on for about 17, almost 18 minutes. So I guess I'll just log off of here in this video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe. Catch my next video. Take care, God bless. See ya next time.